Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today I got my new accessory pack for the GoPro. So I bought the kit on Amazon. I think there's some pieces that are good, some pieces that are not good, but it was only like 40 bucks. It's got a case and everything. So let's go ahead and I'm going ahead and open that up and come in this package here. This is hopefully going to have the key to where I can do the on car mount. I'm going to fab that up, and I'll probably make another video for that too. So got a nice carrying case. I'm going to take this camera, put it on my hat, flip it around, give you a first-hand view of what I see when I open it. Okay, so just bear with me. This is the first time doing this here. So here's the case with accessory kit from Amazon. Let's open it up and see what we got inside. Carrying case is nice, and boy, it's got a lot of stuff. I guess that's a carrying case to put the camera in. Oh, and it's got all kinds of accessories in it. Thumb screws and mounts. Some stick-on, that's like a stick-on thing to put like a lanyard or something on. Thumb screws, and these are pretty decent. They're not super high quality, but they'll probably serve the purpose. So let's see what else we got. Oh, there's the waterproof case. My intention is to mount the camera in this on the car to protect the camera. Let's see. Let me grab the car. Let me set this out of the way. Slide it to the side just a little bit. Get my car. Nitro buggy. My intention is to mount it, say here, on a plate, so I can have like a chase camera view. I know it's going to probably weight the car down, and I may have to put stiffer springs, make a few adjustments to get the handle right, but it's for a video. So, and I'm going to make the same plate to mount it here, get a good view going forward. So I got a bunch planned. We're going to take and make a plate to go in between the shock tower and the wing, so it can mount right here real solid. I'll make it out of aluminum so it's strong. And anyway, we'll get back to that later. I'll make another video about that. So there's the waterproof case, and for me it's going to be more of a shock proof, impact proof case. I think we need, I'll keep that just in case. Wow, there's a lot of pieces in here. This is like a wrist strap. Maybe I can use that. Maybe it's somehow I can use that to get a view of the steering on the radio. Well, we'll see. We'll play around with that. Let's see what else we got here. There's another clip-in mount with a thumb screw that's adjustable. Looks like both ways. I guess these are like stick-on mounts. These are like curved stick-on mounts. Maybe they fit on the roof of a car, or probably made for like a helmet or something, bicycle helmet, race helmet. There's some flat mounts. Got plenty of those type mounts and the stick-on pads, 3M pads, that'll stick pretty good. This is a floaty thing. I saw this once before. You throw it in the water and it bobs in the water. Gets you a cool view. Maybe when we go to the beach or something. Well, that's like a cell phone clip to mount on a tripod. More tripod mounts. Wow, it's got a lot of pieces. A little bag to put all these doodads in. Like some type of Velcro strap. It's a monopod, like the selfie stick. Guess you put all those tripod mounts on there too. There's another nut for one of the thumb screws. I'm sure that'll get lost. This is a wrench for tightening the thumb screws. I don't know why you need that very much. More clip-in standard mounts. Got plenty of those. That's some absorbent pads. I guess they go in the waterproof case to keep it from getting moisture in it. This is like a headband, a head strap. Put on your forehead. More curved mounts. Look like curved mounts, more stick-on pads. This is a lot of stuff. I'm gonna have to bag all this back up. Keep from making a mess. Oh, this is the chest mount. Got the straps to mount it on your chest. First person view. We're going to use some of this stuff to do some pit stops from a POV standpoint. Here's a little mini tripod. I got a couple of those now. It's not too bad. This is like a handlebar for like a bicycle mount. Suction cup mount. I've heard that these aren't very good. You shouldn't trust that on anything outside like a car or something like that. These cheaper ones, it's more of a risk than anything. Here's another clip similar to what I got on my head now. Like put it on a backpack or any kind of strap. It's a clip-on doodad. The mount, I think it rotates around somehow. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe that one doesn't. And that's pretty much it. So, but all in all, it's a pretty good deal for $40-something. I'm not really going to be using this underwater because it's already waterproof enough to where I won't need anything. I won't be doing any crazy deep scuba diving, I don't think. So maybe this will work on the back of a car. Once I get my mount made, I'm gonna probably work on that tomorrow. I'll come up with that. I'll do a video on that once I get it done, and we'll get some on-car footage. I want to do some chase videos and some on-car videos. So, but this is my main thing focus right now, is getting this mounted to the car. I'm pretty excited about that. We're gonna have something really cool for you. Okay, so there's the parts that came in my Amazon accessory kit. We're gonna work on getting it mounted on the car and getting you some on-car footage. I'm really excited about it. We're gonna do some regular videos, some running around, some chase videos from both angles, from the front and back of the car, and we'll see how it goes. Just make sure you stay tuned in. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and we'll see you next time.